everybody, how's it going? Welcome to today's installment of Mike's Vehicle Vlogs. I want to thank you for joining me today. So, it's about 6:45 in the morning, December 15th, 2025, and we finally have our first official cold starts for the 25-26 winter season. So today's Monday, starting on, what night was it? Saturday. Yeah, it was Saturday. We had our first major snow storm or snow event, I guess you can say. And then it lasted all the way up until earlier this morning. So overall, we probably got, I don't know, maybe close to 5 inches of snow. So it snowed quite a bit. But it's also really, really cold this morning. So this is a good opportunity to do all the cold starts. The Civic was out last night, so it's actually covered with snow from what I've seen out the window. So that, goes to show that we still got snow overnight. But that car was out. The wife's Fiesta has been sitting since Saturday night, so hasn't been started in over 24 hours. And the elder Civic, I think it's been a few days since we've driven that one. It's got a weak battery, so I'm kind of curious to see how well that one's going to start, particularly with how cold it really is today. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, here we are. So it's currently 7 degrees out here, and wind chill's about -4 when it's windy. We're gonna do mine first, the 17 Civic. We drove this one yesterday, so it's not as snowy, but you can see everything's covered on the window and stuff again, so it did snow since we've been back. Hold on, hold your horses. Turn that off. This says 12 right now, but it's been sitting. The battery in this one is what? Either May or June of 2022, so she's getting old. See how it starts. I didn't think that won't be that bad. Alright, let's get our heat and stuff on. Okay, let that one run. Do the Fiesta next. Yeah, this car hasn't been run since Saturday, so today's Monday. Where is it? 59,191. Oh, wipers are on. Are they? Hold on, I don't want to risk that. They were. Just left them on. Okay. Turn that off. Turn that off.
But I didn't know where they...
Alright, here we go. Yay. Alright, try to get this all, oops, taken care of here. Are you going to change to the windshield? There you go. Yeah, don't scare me like that. Okay, let that one try to... That's all off there. And lastly, the 07 Civic.
This thing hasn't been driven in three days. I think it was about 3 days ago. This one has a weakening battery that's very dim, so if it starts I will be surprised. Let me make sure that's off already. 264, 494 on the clock there. Here we go. All right. Nice. This one's not going anywhere today, but I would like some heat to kind of be circulated while it's running, so we'll just blow it out the front vents, so that way when I close the door it'll kind of eventually hit up everywhere. So there we go. Whew. It is cold. Alright, so there's our cold starts. Our first cold start for this winter season. Got them all running. I guess I got nothing else to say at the moment. Guess we're gonna wrap it up, because I want to clear hers off and I gotta get mine off so I can hit the road. Alright, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this. I'm sure at some point later on in the winter we will have something colder than this in the morning. 7 degrees is cold, but hopefully we get a couple of negative temperatures, you know, before wind chill. Those are the ones where you really kind of see what the starting conditions, how, you know, they either make it or they don't. So that's it. I'm cold. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Take care.